am Sophia. And this is my sister Juliana. This is Rocio. She's setting up the camera. So we're doing makeup, and the first step is to clean her face. So this is how you do it. So you can do this at home, but you have to clean her face like this. That. There we go. So
What's that?
it's face cream. So what you do, you just kind of open. This one's hard to open.
Ready?
So you just put a little bit that. So then you put it on her face like this.
Oops. Okay.
And then, so we did 2 steps. So now we're doing this. This is for our eyebrows. And then you just get a brush, this type of brush, put it in, and just color her eyebrows.
Okay.
And just color her eyebrows. So, you want to know her name? Juliana.
How are you, Julie? You're having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Do the other one. Good. Oh, beautiful.
See this brush?
Let me see.
So
Okay.
we actually, okay, so what color do you want? First which color? This one. That one? Okay. Just grab a little bit. Close them.
So you're using a base? What color is that?
It's green. I think her favorite green is just a little bit more. So you can see it. You see it. There we go. Perfect.
Wow.
Sparkly eyes. Next, the same color. And then this color. Let's use the same color. Okay, the same color.
Beautiful.
Next color that you want. We'll have this one. That one. This
What
one.
color is it?
This one.
What color is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's hot pink sparkles.
Heart pink sparkles. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now close so I can do it good.
I like it.
Beautiful. Next color. This one? No. The one. This one? No. You pick this one, right? Pick this one. Okay.
Show us, Sophia.
So.
What color are you doing?
Close. This is blue.
Blue? What kind of blue?
Kind of green.
And where do you see that color? In the
was
sky?
white.
No, but where? What color?
Kind of in the sky.
The sky blue? Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Beautiful,
Let me see.
Juliana.
Huh?
Close them so
Close
that they can see.
Close your eye. Yeah.
This is the kind of brush we got, and this is what we're going to do with it. We bought it at Sephora.
But show us, show us.
So,
Okay. What kind of color is it?
It's like cotton
Candy
candy.
pink. Okay, and where'd you gonna put it?
We're going to put it on her little face.
How are you feeling, Julie? Do you like your makeup?
Do you like the makeup that I'm going to put on you? I'm going to put very lots on you.
Okay.
So, now let's get a little bit of this. Okay.
I like it. Smiles? You need smiles?
Well,
Then the other side. Good. What are you going to use?
highlight.
Highlight. What is it?
Highlight. Highlight.
Okay.
So the glitter, it's glitter. So
you do some.
we just open it like around to make.
You're gonna highlight. Okay,
Right.
that's good. That's good. And the other side.
Other side. There you go.
Good.
Next we're doing lipstick.
What color is it?
It's pink, kind of like my color nails.
And where do you get it?
We get it
Sephora.
Sephora.
Sephora. Yes.
So I think we open it with this.
Yes.
And then we add it
That's-
to. We add it to
Besito. There you go.
Wow. On top. On top.
Good.
Here we go.
Besito. Little kiss.
See that?
Okay.
So next we can do some gloss.
What color does it look like?
Looks like kind of like my nails again, but not so.
You put a little bit. Yeah.
There we go.
Besito.
Besito. Little kiss. Because
Is it your?
it's gonna set up the makeup, so.
You just spray it. Close your eyes.
Further.
A little bit further.
Further.
There you go. There you go. That's good. Okay.
Go.
So show us the final look.
Kind
show
of
us.
look.
Show us.
Show.
Close your eyes. Let me see. You did the highlighter. You did everything.
Goodbye. Say goodbye, Juliana. Goodbye.
See you.
See you later.
And what's the name of your show?
Makeup.
Sophie and Julie Shine.